Hello everyone! Today we're making a dining table staple, tomato ketchup. It's sweet, tangy, and super easy. Let's get started.
Grow big and strong, little one.
For this video, we are taking 1.5 kilo of tomatoes. Wash them thoroughly. For the perfect ketchup, choose fully ripe, firm, deep red tomatoes. Proper maturity is key. Once cleaned, we'll peel and cut our tomatoes into chunks. Next, transfer the tomatoes into a pressure cooker. Pour in 500 ml of water and close the lid. Place it on the stove and let it cook. After about 10 minutes, right when it hits its first whistle, turn off the heat. Our tomatoes are perfectly soft. Carefully transfer the boiled tomatoes into a container and pop it into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes to cool down quickly. Once cooled, blend them in a mixture grinder until you get a perfectly fine puree. To ensure our ketchup is super smooth, pass the puree through a mesh sieve to remove all the seeds and any remaining skin debris. Look at that gorgeous, smooth base in our glass bowl. Now it's time to flavor it up. First goes the sugar. Next, the vinegar for that classic tang. Then, salt to taste. And finally, a half teaspoon of chili powder for a subtle kick, and give it a final mix. Now, heat up a kadai on your gas stove. Shift the puree from the bowl straight into the kadai and bring it to a boil. Keep cooking and stirring occasionally until the puree reduces and thickens into that perfect, glossy ketchup consistency. Once the ketchup has completely cooled down, grab a clean glass bottle and a funnel and carefully pour it in. And yeah, our homemade tomato ketchup is ready to eat.